Now we have spoken about different forms of money and classification broadly into four categories, and what is the effect each uh, form of money will have. Uh, all these things we have discussed. You are now clear, but some a bit confused also regarding, for example, uh, when we say is a car an asset? When that question is coming, uh, you are because maybe that question is not clear. Because that question is not clear, you will think, oh, if I buy a car, I have to uh, mm, fill petrol in that, so that is an expense. So you will say car, it is an expense. Then you will say, if I have that car, I can give it as a taxi and get services. So car is an income, you will say. Then I will say, oh, that is different. Oh, then you will say, oh, then car is an asset. So that confusion is there, maybe, but that confusion will go away because you are because of, that is not a confusion which you are having, because my question is in a not so concrete, is an abstract, not a question. When I'm conveying to you, you're getting confused. You're thinking that when a car is there, it has income, it has expense also. So what should I say? So everything is there. Then why are you asking me what this is? A car will incur everything. That is not the question we were asking. Just if there is a category of money called a car which before you, is that car you can consider as an expense or asset or anything? That is the question. Okay, but that will be more clear when we come to the third stage of our class. Third stage, maybe even sometimes this stage also it may be more clear. Okay, so with this knowledge which you have, and a bit of confusion also which we all have, I'm going for some cases. We are going to discuss some cases here, and be very uh, you can note it down if you want, in a piece of paper or something. If you have, you can note it down, or computers you may have. uh, this is some case studies. Case study one, I'll come back to the slide, don't worry. Case study one is, you are going to discuss whether, see, in your family, just think it this way. In your family, yeah, you have a family, your father is there, your mother is there, you are there, your sister is there, you have two sisters and yourself. Okay, so that family, they are discussing whether this is time to buy a new house or not. You don't have a house, you're staying in a rented house now, whether to buy a house or not. When your parents are discussing, you can also be part of the discussion. Think in that, put yourselves in their shoes and be part of the discussion. And it is and you're going to be rational, you're going to be logical when you're keeping your arguments, whether this is good or this we should consider these factors, etc. So this is one which I have given. Second thing is, what I have written is, we can have several things. Okay, another one is, I have put it is, to make it attractive, debate over entrepreneurship or job. That means, again, you have completed your post graduation or degree, you completed your course, and after completion, after Vishnu or Manu, they are the seniors here, they have completed their course suddenly, and you have taken many, maybe you have taken loan or from the bank or something. You have suddenly you have got two options coming in your way. One is, you get a job in a company, you're getting a job, you're in a private company, you're getting a job, but you want to start a new small firm business, because you have an idea, you came across good friends in your college days and they were also enthusiastic. You wanted to start, either you alone or along with a couple of friends, you want to start a new firm business, you want to try it, or you got a government job. Maybe. private job or anything. So how you will evaluate? How will you debate over this? Whether which is good, which is what are the pros and cons? You have heard the word no pros and cons. That is what. No. It's not about arriving at a decision. that you cannot say now. That all depends on when the real situation comes only that will happen. But what are the different viewpoints to be presented? That is the point here. Third, what I have told is debate over buying a new car. Whether you have an old car and is it time to buy a new car? This discussion is coming. So there are several parameters affecting that also. You will have to put the conditions. I'll come back to all these slides. Okay, don't worry. Then I thought debate over higher studies abroad. That means again you have finished your degree and you are telling your family that you want to go to USA for higher studies or Europe or any foreign country for higher studies, China, Russia, or anybody other than India, you want to go. So again, what are the parameters that can affect uh, that decision? Okay, then these are the four things I have presented in a slide. Then there can be okay. I'll come back to this. Then there can be other case also, like retirement and savings. So you are planning your retirement. Your father is planning your retirement. Put yourself in father's shoes, and he's on the verge of maybe he will retire after 10 years. He has 10 more years. So how his savings should go? He's having surplus cash, means where to invest. But that decision, that discussion, if you want to uh, be more clear on that, that is a bit higher level thing. I would say you should go to that course which is now happening in Granite, that Pradeep's course, no, financial investment, Jyotish, etc. You said this subject is of interest to you. Maybe everybody here,
Yes.
Vishnu, everybody here. In that case, that that class will give you insight into various. We also in the first class we made a list of stock, bond, gold, that this. I just listed it down because you told all these things. I listed it down. But how the particularities, how we say, when you invest in a stock, what's going to happen? How does a stock become an investment? What are the words which Pradeep uses is what are the risks involved? What are the rewards which come? Risk versus reward. For investment, there is always a risk. There is a reward also. If you take greater risk, you can get a greater reward, but there is a risk is there. If you take less risk, your risk will be less, but your reward when you get also it can be less. So this is something which normally investment those consultants tell you. There are several options. So it's a big basket. It is not a single basket. It is a big basket where you have different options. You have stock, you have gold, you have a deposit in the bank, you have maybe today's Bitcoin, that these things, all those things like that. You have several basket where you can put your money. You have land, you have apartments, that is real estate. They call it real estate. Like that, you have different boxes. Each box has its own characteristics of how it will give you return. How the risks involved are also there. The period also is there. Several things which it is best I put that case also in my spreadsheet. But I think that is good if you can discuss after that class, or in that class you can ask him, etc. Okay. Now I thought that's why I strictly because we will not have much time, no. Today and next week also we can continue if you want this discussion based on how this discussion is going. Okay. So this is the first thing. I will be giving you some clues only. I want your creative thoughts. Okay. Don't think about Vilans, that creative thinking. Uh, this is not about how much money. We are not worried about the figures now. That is, how much is the cost? How much is the salary? Whether it's 1 lakh, whether it's 2 lakhs, whether it's 30,000. That Amount figures are not the primary concern. That should not be the primary concern. How much loan you should need? What is the cost of the house? That you can keep X or Y. You can say 50 lakh, say 30 lakh. We'll come to that part later. First thing is what are the various parameters that will that you have to discuss or debate when you take a decision. So I have given some clues here. So Satish, how can we go about? We can discuss. I think only four people are there, no? 4 or 5.
6 ഉണ്ട് പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ തന്നെ ചെയ്യാം.
Okay, we'll do. So the floor will be open to you. We'll give you each one of you time. We'll give you time to think. We'll give you time to think. So I have two objectives. One is you discussing about these parameters. What is this? So that will make you clear more on the form of a set that this thing, which whatever confusion is there with you can go away. Then second thing is, once you finish this discussion, how to put your discussion in financial format. That is where the finance class is coming into action. Understood? One is, forget about finance. Your father or mother or your grandfather, whoever is discussing, may not be a finance person, but they know how it's not that every financial person is buying are only buying houses. No, every ordinary person in this who is not concerned, who is not so knowledgeable about this financial planning is going across this stage in their life. So discuss the various parameters, and then being the financial course, what is going to happen, how that discussion can be formatted into a financial statement. I'll show you a format, and then based on that, your discussion can take a financial form. After that, if you look into that format, all the figures will come. This is the two objectives. One is creatively debating various parameters, then putting into a format. Okay, now I will be talking for 5 more minutes only, maximum. Are you ready, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, everybody. Yes, alle. Rishikesh, Vishnu,
Yes, sir.
Manu,
Yes, sir.
Agaru, ellarum undallo. Okay. Appo this is a thing which is very common. What I have shown is, I have shown a small box here, a box inside the box and outside the box. Inside the box എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, inside the box means that is your ecosystem. You know the word ecosystem? Your environment. Your environment. That means your family's environment. Your family's environment is shown inside the box. Outside the box is not your environment. That is the house you want to buy. That house, that is saying it is now outside. That should come inside. That is, you want to buy that house. That is what we are going to discuss. And I have shown bank also outside the box. Bank is also there. So that is also something you can make use of. This is like a story. You have heard a story. A person, tiger, cow, and this grass hay are on one bank of the river. You have heard that story? Anybody?
No,
Yes,
sir.
yes or no? There is a story like that. See, a person with a villager, he has he's traveling with the hay. That is, he has sowed his farm, and his hay is there, grass is there. He has cut the grass, and a cow is there. Of course, the cow, the cow, if he gets an opportunity, the cow will eat the grass. Then there is a tiger also. The tiger, if there is, everybody is afraid of this person there, this man. If the man is not there, a cow will eat the grass. If the man is not there, the tiger will eat the cow. Then how does this person cross the river? In the boat, only one thing can be carried at a time. So you have cash in that box. You can see. You know now. You know what the form of money called cash can. What purpose will serve? Cash is there in your with you. You have a deposit in the bank. You have a deposit in the bank. You are now staying in a rented house and you are paying rent. You have a decent job. That's why you're trying to now purchase a house or build a house. So you have a salary. You have some gold with you. Then your family is there. See, you're there. Your father is there. 2 children are there. Okay. And then the house is outside. Bank is also there for you to assist you. So how you will go about? This is the first case. So we'll discuss this first. So what I thought is I'll stop this sharing. Have you noted this down? All these things? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I'll stop this sharing. For 10 minutes or something, we can discuss this. And then we can discuss buying a car also. And then today, Ishraf, I'll try to say how this formatting can happen. No need to complete it. And next time we can discuss more issues if you want. So I'll share another document now. Our spreadsheet I'm sharing. You can see this now. See, housing project, entrepreneurship, your job, new car purchase, higher studies, and government. Then I put retirement and savings. So we'll discuss this. Best way to discuss is how the payments and receipts, income and expense, don't confuse with by saying forms of money. In which way, in what all ways inflow is going to happen to this project, and what all ways outflow is going to happen. I know it's a bit confused when I say this. Don't worry, we can clarify it. During discussion, we'll classify this more. Don't worry at all. Don't think you're getting more and more confused. As you discuss, it will be more clear. Housing project. How is it going to affect how are you going to build this house? Start.
Loan എടുത്തോടെ ബാങ്ക്
Yes.
ലോൺ എടുക്കാം എന്നിട്ട് ഇപ്പൊ റെന്റ് കൊടുക്കുന്ന പൈസ ലോണിലേക്ക് അടയ്ക്കാം.
1 minute. So അപ്പൊ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ, ഇൻഫ്ലോ ഔട്ട്ഫ്ലോ വെച്ച് പറഞ്ഞേ, വെറുതെ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു നോക്കി. ഞാൻ അവിടെ ഇവിടെ ഒന്ന് ഇടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. ഇൻഫ്ലോ ഈ പ്രോജക്റ്റ് ഇങ്ങനെ നടക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ പ്രോജക്റ്റിലേക്ക് ഇൻഫ്ലോയും ഔട്ട്ഫ്ലോയും പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. അങ്ങനെ പറയാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പൊ ലോൺ എടുക്കാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ലോൺ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഈ പ്രോജക്റ്റിലേക്ക് വരും അല്ലേ? സോ ഐ വിൽ സേ ഈ പ്രോജക്റ്റിലേക്ക് എവറി പ്രോജക്റ്റ് നിങ്ങൾ when you are discussing about one project should happen or not, that project-ലേക്ക് if it's a project, money has to come into that project, money has to go out of that project. Am I right everybody?
Yes sir.
So എന്നിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇതിനെ ഫോർമാറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. That is how we are going to format. And that money which is coming in can be asset, liability, expense or income. Money coming in and going out. That is a different question. How all money can come in, how all money can go out. Now I think Vishnu is saying for this project, for to inflow of money, one form he is saying is loan. Correct, Vishnu? Correct, Shariyana?
Yes sir.
Now there is a beginning to already a start has our discussion has started. So now I think one prototype has happened. Now you can, I think Vishnu has said the second case also. What is that?
Rent വെച്ചിട്ട് ലോണിന്റെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് അടയ്ക്കാം.
Is everybody clear on what Vishnu said?
So did he tell rent?
Yes. Jyotish, if you want to ask him anything, you can say. He said.
So I just wanted to know what did he tell?
Vishnu, can you clarify to Jyotish? You didn't understand. Yes, what that.
We can take the money which we pay as rent and pay that money as interest for loan.
Please give an example to Jyotish.
How, sir? Like,
ഇതൊരു കേസ് പോലെ പറ, ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ പോലെ പറ. Then Jyotish is going to
Yes, sir, I
understand.
understood.
Jyotish, then you say an example of what you understood. The same thing.
So, like, for example, now in case I am buying a house, without giving up the house, like selling it, we can have a trade on it. No, sir, we can give it for rent, and with that rent, we can pay a loan. The loan.
No.
That is also a good thing, Vishnu. That is also but that is not Vishnu said. Jyotish, what you said is another point. Vishnu, what Vishnu said is not that point. Do you want to clarify it more from Vishnu? What Vishnu said, can anybody else say now?
Yes, sir. I think, for example, we take a 50 lakh loan, then we buy a house or
Yes.
we build a house, and
Okay.
then we get the rent from the house. So with that rent, you give it to the loan as
If it-
interest.
Did you understand that, everybody?
Yes.
Did you understand that, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what has happened? ഇപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞത് എന്താന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ you will buy a house and you are not going to stay in that house, correct?
no, sir.
അല്ല, നിങ്ങൾ if you are going to stay in that house, how can you give that house for rent?
അങ്ങനെയല്ല, ഇപ്പോ നമ്മളിരിക്കുന്നത് റെന്റിനെടുത്ത ഹൗസിലല്ലേ.
Okay.
ആ റെന്റ് നമുക്ക് പുതിയ വീട്ടിൽ ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട്.
Okay. അങ്ങനെയാണ്. That means Vishnu is saying, അപ്പൊ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ കേസ് എങ്ങനെയാ വരണ്ടേ? ഞാൻ എവിടെ റെന്റ് വേറെ ഷുഡ് പുട്ട്? ഈ പ്രോജക്റ്റ് ഹാപ്പൻ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ റെന്റ് എവിടെ ഇടണം? ഇൻഫ്ലോ ഔട്ട്ഫ്ലോ എവിടെ ഇടണം? ഇപ്പോ ഇൻ ദിസ് പ്രോജക്റ്റ് വാട്ട് ഇസ് ഹാപ്പനിങ് ടു റെന്റ്? റെന്റ് ഔട്ട്ഫ്ലോ, റെന്റ് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയല്ലേ കാശ്?
ആ സർ.
അപ്പൊ റെന്റ് ഇവിടെ ഇട്ടോട്ടെ.
ഓക്കെ സർ.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Rent is going on. Ipo your Manu, are you clear on this?
Yes, sir.
ശരിയാണോ? അപ്പൊ rent is going on. We are giving rent. അല്ലേ?
Yes, as well.
Okay. അതിനെ കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കൺട്രോൾ
Sir,
ചെയ്യാനാണ്
now-
പറയുന്നത്. Yes. Pardon?
Sir, one inflow can also be an asset, like cash or deposit.
Very good. That means you are going to take money from the bank, correct? Your money, same money. അല്ലേ?
No, sir, not from bank, but yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir, that one. Cash or deposit.
From your bank. Okay, you had some. Okay, very good. So I will just put a case. Okay, everything is happening. So I am going to first write down this. Take loan from the bank. Then it will be more clear. This is the first case. Then presently rent is being given on shifting to the new house. Rent expenditure can be cut down, correct? ശരിയല്ലേ?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This saving in rent can be എന്താണ്? Can be
Pay to loan.
used to
Paid for
Pay
the-
loan.
back
The loan.
loan. Okay.
Yes, sir,
fine.
the loan.
Fine. And then then there is one debate happening. Jyotish is saying take the money from our bank deposit for buying the house. Isn't it, Jyotish? Jyotish, this is what you
So,
said.
sir,
no?
actually, I did not mean. So, this one from our. Yes, sir, this one I think.
Alla, you told, no?
Yes, sir, this one I think.
Now let us start our debate. What is this happening? What is this happening? Is this contradictory? Is this contradictory? Vishnu is saying he will take loan from the bank. Vishnu is saying he will take loan from the bank to construct the house. Jyotish is saying he will take the money from our bank deposit for buying the house. Is this contradictory? Do you understand the meaning of contradictory? Contradictory meaning അറിയോ?
പരസ്പര വിരുദ്ധം.
പരസ്പര വിരുദ്ധം അതാണോ? ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ ഇത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇത്. only either this or this എങ്ങനെ രണ്ടും കൂടെ എങ്ങനെ വരിക അങ്ങനെ വല്ല കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടോ?
No, sir.
പറഞ്ഞു anything, you can say anything. My question may not be so very clear because these are not things in black and white.
Sir, we can take loan from the bank. At the same time, we can use our deposit to build the house. No?
Hello Clemmy, welcome.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Your network is perfect today.
Yes, sir. I think so.
Okay, well, good. എന്താ ക്ലെമി പറഞ്ഞ എന്താ ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറഞ്ഞു? Clemmy, please.
I mean, like we can use our deposit to build the house. At the same time, we can take loan from the bank.
Clemmy, you are saying both will happen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Both can happen.
Both can happen. And they both can happen. Both can happen. Both. I'm giving you some options here. Okay, that's are called. This is English. Both can happen. Both may happen. Both should happen. Don't worry, I'm not confusing you more. Is the both can happen or no? Both should happen or no? Both may happen or no? What do you think? Both can happen or no? Both should happen or no? Confusion ayo, sorry. Confusion.
Sir, actually,
Both can happen.
Both must happen.
Both must happen. Why you are saying that?
Sir, because we are not telling in all cases. It's in some cases we will be doing the both. That's all.
Okay. Anybody else? ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കണ മ്യൂച്വലി എക്സ്ക്ലൂസീവ് ആണോ എന്നൊക്കെ ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. That means if you, I'll make it more clear. I'm going with Vishnu. I am now taking Vishnu's advice. I am taking Vishnu's advice and I am going to the bank for loan. എവിടെയെങ്കിലും നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണമല്ലോ. All of you are financial experts. I am taking the advice because Vishnu told me first. I met Vishnu on the road first and he told me take loan from the bank. 50 lakhs on building cost. I am going to the bank to take loan. Now what will happen? Please, can you tell me what will happen?
Sir, we need to pay the interest to the
Interest
bank.
rates.
The liability, we will create a liability.
All that after bank is giving the loan, right?
Yes, sir.
I am going to the bank. I am going to the manager and talking to the manager about giving me 50 lakhs loan. That situation, can you just describe what is happening? What will happen? I am going to the bank manager and asking, based on Vishnu's advice, I am taking this item here. This item here. I have taken and I am going to the bank and asking the bank manager, see, I want to buy a house. It is 50 lakhs. Please give me loan. Then what will happen? What do you think will happen? This is
So the bank
we
will,
need to assure them.
yes, so the bank will check if you have any property of yours, any asset of yours
Yes,
to worth that 50 lakhs.
that means you are saying that Rishikesh, that last class he said, I have to give another property worth 50 lakhs for me to get the loan. Are you saying that?
No, so not like that. Only an assurity, like we can pay the loan. We have to have
Like,
a job.
even if we don't pay the loan, the property will become the bank's.
So
What
you are saying you have to mortgage something. You are saying,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and Jyotish also is agreeing that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that? ആർക്ക് വേണം പറയാട്ടോ? Is that the way you are going to get loan?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
വിഷ്ണു.
എന്താ Vishnu, you can say what is no?
നമ്മൾ ബിൽഡ് ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഹൗസ് ആണ് ഹൗസിംഗ് ലോൺ അല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ബിൽഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഹൗസ് ആണ് അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടത്. അതാണ് ഷെയറിറ്റി.
Jyotish, did you hear that? Radish, did you hear that?
Yes, sir.
What did he say?
Yes, a house loan is okay. So house loan is different.
So house loan, Vishnu is saying, Radish, Vishnu is saying, why should you give a property to that?
Yes, sir. They will take the house only then.
So that house is not yours.
So, but how can they take the house if it is not yet in our name? Like in the person's name who's going to buy the house?
But if we are taking it in a name of house loan, it might change.
Yes, yes. There are all agreements, agreement, tri-party agreement, third-party agreement, all this is there. Whatever you said. So now we are agreeing on. Radish is having some doubt. How can that happen now?
Sir, even the person selling the house will also agree for this risk.
What is the risk with him? He will get the money.
But sir, like if the person can't pay the money back, then the house will become the person's property, right? The bank's property, I mean.
Bank's property. If he doesn't pay, bank it become bank's property.
Yes, sir.
So
then,
okay. Then,
sir, it's not a risk because the house is built with the bank's loan only.
No, Radish was asking the question. Anybody can say it. Radish was asking, that means the person. See, there are three parties here. One is the person who is selling the house. He will get the money. So he has no risk. The second thing is bank is giving you a loan. Okay. So bank has the risk whether you will pay back. If you don't pay back, what will happen? The bank can take that house. It is the same as Radish said, you are keeping a property, then that bank, if you don't pay, that property will be taken. That's why Vishnu said, this is a house, then why do you want to keep an extra property as pledge mortgaging? This is itself in the bank's name. Only then I think the case what Vishnu is saying is, only when the bank loan is finished, that that bank will be totally in your name, correct? Correct or not, Vishnu? I'm saying.
That house will be ours.
yes, sir.
Clemmy, other എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു ഏതാണ്? What do you think? എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് പറയും എന്താണ് ഇപ്പൊ ഈ പറഞ്ഞതിൽ ഏത് കേസാണ്? What do you think? ആരും ഒന്നും പറയുന്നില്ലേ? മനു
Yes, sir.
എന്ത് പറയണു?
I'll go for loan.
ലോൺ ഇങ്ങനെ വന്നിട്ട് ശരി. അപ്പം ഐ തിങ്ക് ദിസ് വി ക്യാൻ സീൽ ദിസ്. Bank is not going to ask for any property. Bank will say, okay, there will be an agreement which says that, and that is how banks give our housing loan. Housing loan is specifically housing loan. Not only housing loan, if you buy a car also, this is going to happen. Isn't it? If you are going to buy a car also, this is what is going to happen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is clear. Okay. Now I am saying again, I am coming back to square one. If I go and ask the bank for the loan, will they give me loan? Will they give me, how much is the loan do you want? 50 lakhs is the flat cost of the house I want to buy. Okay. How much do you have? 50 lakhs. Will the bank give money? That's the question. That is the next question. Will the banks straight away give you that much amount?
They will ask for your income statement.
Okay, they will ask for your income statement to see whether you can pay back.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pinne. Bank will give you full amount.
Sir, no,
First
sir, a
they
set
will
of
give a
amount.
small
A set of
amount,
money.
and after
Ara?
first they will give a small amount.
A set amount, yeah.
First, okay. They will give, then they'll give, pinne padukku. But bank will give the amount in stages.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bank amount
Yes,
loan will
sir.
come in stages only. Okay. Okay, fine. Stage ആയിട്ട് ഒരു 50 lakhs തരും.
Yes, sir.
Everybody on the same page regarding that? Bank will give stage by stage 50 lakhs total amount. Everybody
Yes,
are,
sir.
everybody are Agree to that?
Yes, sir.
Only Radish is saying yes, and Vishnu is saying yes.
Yes, sir.
Jyotish
Yes, sir.
says
Yes, sir.
yes. Climate network is again down. Okay. But this is what not the thing I faced. Bank will ask, tell me when I go to the take loan. The bank will tell me how much is the bank cost. The project cost is 50 lakhs. The bank will tell you, okay, project cost is 50 lakhs. I will give you loan for 40 lakhs. Bank will give me only 40 lakhs. Don't be worried about the 40 lakhs figure. Okay, bank is not going to give me 50 lakhs. എന്താണ് then what is the bank അങ്ങനെ പറയാൻ കാരണം എന്താ എന്നോട് അങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞു what is the bank expecting
So
What is-
the money we pay them back perfectly. The due.
that is salary statement is there, no, proving that you will pay. If you don't pay, the bank will take the house. The bank will take the house if you don't pay. They are having the salary statement, income. They will see how your credibility is, how is your job, a good job, you have a good job, etc. They will see, and only then, if they feel that you have a good income, you have a good, you have a job in a reputed company, your job is secured. Only then they will have all this inquiry, and then only they will give the loan. That is fine. But the bank is telling me to put 10 lakhs. They are saying they will give only 40 lakhs. That means I will have to put the remaining money, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
That the banks normally call margin money. Margin money from the beneficiary. See, bank is taking a risk, no, by giving the loan. Although it is, they will. Are they there with me?
Yes, sir.
Bank wants you also to be part of the risk. This is what the risk and reward is there, no, for everything. So this risk is coming. So that doesn't mean that when you are doing an investment, when you are taking something, you don't take it. You will just ask, if I want full money from you, if I don't pay, you can take it back. What is the risk? That normally for any project, even if it is for you're starting an industry, you are starting an industry, you are starting a shop, and for that shop, if you to furnish the shop, to buy things, etc., you need an amount of say 10 lakh. You ask the loan, give me 10 lakh. They will say, okay, how much is the project cost? You'll have to give a project report. The bank will ask you how much is the project cost. The bank will say, you will say 10 lakhs. You will give a project report. They will see the project report, whether it's correct, whether the statements you have shown is everything is correct. This much is the plant and machinery. This much is you have to keep the invoice, everything from whom we are going to purchase. Everything will be there, and then they will say, oh, 10 lakhs. Then they will ask, oh, you should put some money. I will give you, but you should put some money.
Yes, sir. Otherwise, the person will not show sincerity in paying.
Correct. That is the word. That is the will of that person is the money. In finance management, that is the thing. Everything is expressed in terms of money. You cannot go and say, you can go put a good coat, put a specs, and you go there and say, I want money. Okay, but that if you are really mean you have to do it, you will also, I'll put this, I intend to put this much money, you should give me this much money. The bank will say, I will give you maximum of this much money, and you can take minimum also. That means, suppose 50 lakhs project, if you take more money, bank loan, you have to pay more interest, correct? So you can decide whether you should take more money or your bank should give you more money. That all you can decide. But anyhow, the bank will ask you to put money. And let me tell you, friends, that is the money which Jyotish was saying, take the money from our bank deposit for buying the house. That's why I said both should happen. If you want, you can take full money from your account and construct the house without taking a single amount from the bank. That is your choice.
Yes, sir.
But if you want to go for loan, the bank normally will ask you for a margin money. Then this will also inflow. This is the inflow which Jyotish was saying. Bank deposit, your bank deposit will have to be broken, or it should be liquidated. That is the word which is used. That will no longer be there, and that should go into the project. Okay, clear? Clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then here I am putting loan again, outflow, because you have to pay the loan. Loan outflow, loan will come in the outflow also. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Because loan തിരിച്ചടയ്ക്കണമല്ലോ. Okay, now continue, please. എന്തിനൊക്കെ കാശ് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
Sir, EMI?
That is what I said, loan EMI.
Okay.
Loan, this is loan means I'll put two things here, because EMI, because this said EMI, you are taking the loan, you have to pay that loan, and you have to pay the interest on loan. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That is a different thing.
Yes.
So, but that both will be combined. These both things are combined to say it is called EMI. I think that is clear, no? In our first class we said.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
these both things are being combined as EMI. But let me actually, if you take 15 lakhs loan, you have to repay that 15 lakhs. You are taking inflow 15 lakhs, as Clemmy said, in stages. Outflow also 15 lakhs you have to give in stages, but interest also you will have to give in stages, and that is coupled in our EMI. Okay, so interest has come, fine. So outflow, interest has come. Well, a loan has come as inflow, and loan is going to be outflow also. The bank deposit which you have is already taken as inflow, because it is your amount. There is no question of repaying it. Then rent was something Vishnu said, rent is there. It was an outflow. Suppose suppose once the project starts, you are buying it from a builder, and this project is taking 6 months to complete. Friends, did you get? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That 6 months you have to pay the rent. That's why I put this in outflow. 6 months കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ you need not pay. Then this will stop. Is that clear? Friends, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now continue. വേറെ എന്തൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞോ? Please continue. Please continue.
Sir, maintenance of the house.
Very good. What is that? What is that, Radish?
Maintenance of the house. Maintenance fees.
Very good. Okay. Now I am putting this here. And what is the effect? This is a debate. I think Radish was not there. This is a debate whether you should buy this house or not. Maintenance cost. This is a debate on whether you should buy this house or not. So, like Vishnu said, one debate, when this debate is going on, one point which he will raise in his house is that, see, he's saying we should buy this house. Then your father will ask, why you are saying that? Then you will say, see, we are already paying 15,000 rent now. We are already paying 15,000 as rent. Then the father will say, see, I don't have so much money. I have only 10 lakh with me. Then your mother will say, we can take loan, no? You can take loan. Okay. Then your father will say, if you take loan, who will pay back the loan? Every month we have to give 20,000 rupees. Every month we have to give 20,000 rupees as repayment. From where will you give this 20,000 rupees? Then Vishnu will come in and say, see, already we are paying 15,000 as rent. It is simply going from our pocket. We are not having a house also. So 15,000 already we can, within 6 months, only for 6 months we need to give rent more. After that, for our rest of our life, we did not give the rent. We can save that expense. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
And then we need to have the raise only 5,000 rupees. Oh, very good, very good. This is the debate going on. Now, Radish has come up with new word called maintenance cost. How is this going to affect? The same way Vishnu put it, you should put it that way. You should put a maintenance cost. You should debate this maintenance cost. What do you mean by this?
Sir, like maintenance fees to maintain the these things of the house, features of the house, to maintain the house basically. So then it will also be like rent, right? Like you will have to spend monthly or annually to maintain the house, a specific amount for maintaining fees. So it also works the same way as the rent.
So what is the point you are driving in? Very good, perfect. What is the point you are going to make? You are saying, so you are going to counter Vishnu. Vishnu, I think Ridish is countering you. Ridish is countering Vishnu by saying that, Arey Vishnu, you are saying we need not pay the rent. You are saying we need not pay the rent, correct? But when it is when there is a building house, you have to pay the you have to do the maintenance, annual maintenance. Okay, so that cost will come. That cost will come. This is what Ridish is saying. Ridish is saying this cost will come. Ridish is saying this cost will come. Maintenance cost will come. If then what about when you're staying in the rented building? What will happen? No maintenance cost will come.
So the mostly the maintenance will be taken care of the owner of the place. So it won't be by the tenant who is living there.
So Ridish is saying that it is a counter to Vishnu's argument. Ridish is saying maintenance cost will come. If you rent the Savia, extra maintenance cost. So what you are going to Vishnu is going to say for that? Vishnu or anybody else? These are conflicting. These are all conflicting things, finance issues which are coming up. So what is the point you are going to say?
Sir, but maintenance is not every day, right? Only once in a year. Or...
Correct. The point you are other one over there.
Sir.
The point otherwise, see how otherwise countering Ridish. He's saying maintenance is not rent. You are going to pay 15,000 every month. Maintenance will not be so high. Maintenance will come only 1/10 of that will come, maybe. Right? Ale?
Sir, but even you'll have to pay the insurance and all for the house, right?
Does the building have insurance?
Yes, sir, it does. It does have.
Maybe. Okay, fine.
So, but we actually have to pay tax, right?
There is another there is another parameter coming up. Tax. So that means because you are having your own house, you have to pay tax to the government. That is called property tax or building tax. Correct? Correct? Though this is coming up with other point. This also, if it was a rented house, that owner is going to pay. So this is again going to be your outflow. Because you're owning that building, this is also going to happen. So extra cost maintenance, tax, insurance. Sadisha, insurance flat building.
He's talking maybe about general insurance, like you give fire and such. It's a very minimal amount.
Very minimal.
Yeah. So when you take loans nowadays, the banks will insist that you should add insurance in that.
Okay, very good.
But it's a very small amount.
Very small amount. Very small. So other debates maintenance, tax, insurance. All these because you are going to own this, all these are going to come, but it is a very minimal amount when compared to rent. So I'm still, if I am the person who is going to take a decision based on your own advice, still I would stand, maybe I will stand, I don't know, rent is 15,000, all this comes maybe together monthly, maybe coming to say 5,000, I don't know, maybe it will not come to 5,000. Suppose it comes to 5,000 also, I will say again 10,000 is there. So I'm not saying I arrived at something, but these are all the parameters. That's what we are going to debate here. Anything else? Anything else? So this is fine, very good.
I want to add one more parameter to it. So that is normal rent is around 2 to 3% of the value. For example, if it is 50 lakh property, the rent would be, let us say 3% is around 1.5 lakh per annum. It's around 12,000 rupees approximately. But if you take 50 lakh loan, your repayment could be somewhere around 45,000 to 50,000. So the assumption which I think they were making is that the rental amount is exactly equivalent to the EMI, which won't be the case.
Which won't be? Rent EMI will be higher.
EMI will be at least 3 times or more.
Vishnu.
Sir.
EMI will be at least 3 times higher.
Sir, but we only need to pay it for a certain amount of time.
Which one?
So the EMI, we don't
Yes,
need
yes.
to pay it forever.
Not forever, but maybe 15-20 years, yeah.
Yes,
But
sir,
after
once
that 20
over-
years, the price of
We
the
will get
land
it as
will
an
increase.
asset. Yes, sir,
there
we'll get it
comes-
as an asset.
There comes the para. That's വേണ്ടത്. That is the thing. അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ you didn't see the elephant in the room. കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ elephant in the room എന്നുള്ള വാക്ക് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Have you heard that word, elephant in the room?
Yes, sir.
You should, because you are always there with Sadish's class. He always says that. Manu,
Yes, sir.
elephant in the room എന്നുള്ള വാക്ക് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
Yes.
What is that?
Most valuable.
Sir, everyone knows about the problem and all, even the solution, but they don't just notice it. Like it's there, but they don't notice. They know it. But
Elephant എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ what is elephant? Elephant is the biggest animal, right? I mean a big, very big animal. We are talking about some things, debating this problems. Not only it's house building, but anything we are talking. But there is one elephant. Big problem is always there. Nobody is seeing that. Nobody is touching that. We are talking about ചെറിയ കാര്യങ്ങൾ. Rent the loan, 40,000, 5,000. But there is one thing which if you see that, maybe all the solutions will be solved. That is what Vishnu saw now. Vishnu is saying, all this we can give 50 now, but finally at the end of the day, now everybody saw it. Once Vishnu saw that, hey, here is the elephant, then everybody, when they saw it, it became visible to everyone. Everybody got the crux. So what is that? Either anytime you can anytime you can
sell it.
So inflow le vekkam alla inflow le vekkalo.
Yes, sir.
Resale അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സെയിൽ ഓഫ് ഹൗസ് ഞാൻ വരയ്ക്കുകയാണ്. അതൊന്നും നോർമലി വരുമോ വരാതിരിക്കുകയോ. ഈവൺ ഇഫ് യു ഡോണ്ട് സെൽ ഇറ്റ്, മേ ബി യു വിൽ നോട്ട് സെൽ ഇറ്റ്, സ്റ്റിൽ ആ ഹൗസിന് വേറെ പർപ്പസ് സെർവ് ചെയ്യാം. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദാറ്റ്? You are not selling your house.
Asset for you.
Yes, it's an asset for you, but
Rent.
okay.
So we can use it as rent.
Yes, if you have a different house, you can give this for rent, correct? And also suppose your children are growing up and they want a loan, education loan. ആ സമയത്ത് you have to pledge something. It is not housing loan പോലെ അല്ല. Am I right?
Yes.
That at that time, because this big property is there, you will have brought this house for 50 lakhs, right? But after say land is there, or after say 5 years or 7 years, this maybe real estate value must have gone up, and this is not only, that means this house is not only for you to stay, it's also an asset, and that time this value maybe say 65 lakh or 70 lakhs. So if you pledge that, you can get a loan, find loan for your. This is how this money circulates in the society. So I'm saying.
Thus, there are sociological factors also. You may not get a marriage proposal if you are living in a rented house.
അതുകൊണ്ട് everything is there. If you are having a rented house, everything, people will not ask directly, but people will inquire. Adana when a marriage proposal is coming, inquiry നടക്കുന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞതാണ്. They will see whether house is there, whether it is owned house, in whose name, how many children are there. These are all bad facets of our society, but facts. Okay.
So when we are having a house, it might also be like an assurity to take other loans.
No, that's what I said.
Yes, I like it.
That's what I said. So I am putting in a sale. Loan, it's a property, a loan sale. I am putting it as sale ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുന്നത്. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ കുറേ പാരാമീറ്റേഴ്സ് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞു. Okay, good. Now, എന്നാൽ ഇനി 2-3 പാരാമീറ്റേഴ്സ് കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞ് വീട്ടിൽ അവസാനിപ്പിക്കാം. എനിക്ക് 2-3 പാരാമീറ്റേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. I put ഞാൻ see I'm going to take loan from the bank. The bank is saying they will give only 30 lakhs as loan. Rest 20 lakhs you have to take. I have only 10 lakhs in the bank for money deposit. So what will I do? 10 lakhs മാത്രമേ bank deposit എനിക്കുള്ളൂ. I can't take the total bank deposit.
So you can use other forms of money.
You
asset
say
available.
I showed it in that slide. Which did you see anything in there?
So gold was there.
Gold was there. So sale of gold.
Yes, and the asset.
So I am putting sale of gold. So that is, so bank deposit and sale of gold is coming as first inflow. Maybe before the loan that will come. Before the loan that will come. First we'll take the bank deposit and then we'll sell the gold if needed, or it may be stock, share, whatever you're having, you will sell it. Sale of house is a final if you want after so many days. If you want, you can do it. You will take loan. Okay, fine. Now everything is falling in place. Suppose you are not going to stay in the house. Suppose you are not going to stay in the house. You are in Qatar, Oman, your new house. You can give for rent. Alle? Angananinge rent. This is the new rent you are going to rent for new house. Rent new house. This is
Sir,
rent.
even like sometimes when you rent a house, your water, electricity fees, water bills, all will be sometimes covered by the owner, right?
No. I
So sir, everything is under rent.
Normally, electricity rent and all, if in a rented house also, you are going to pay.
But sir, at least half the amount the owner will take, right?
Normally, I don't know. Sometimes agreement like that. Normally, electricity rent only the maintenance will be taken care by the landlord. Okay, that depends here. You can put. I don't mind. That all depends on the case. I cannot say hard and force. No, nobody will pay. There is no purpose in saying that. If you want, you can put, no problem. Then I'm coming to some common things in our society. One is when you have but yeah, you will again see an elephant in the room. One elephant or Willy elephant you are not still mentioned along with this elephant. Biggest outflow. Biggest outflow. House cost.
Family.
Family. Housing cost. I don't know how I should put it.
So buying the cost, right?
Buying the house. That you know, that is another elephant. All this money, loan, sale of gold, bank deposit, all these things are going for what?
A house.
That is elephant. That you will see. But this sale of house will be much more than that's where it is happening. Okay, then fine. Okay, fine. We are then loan, tax, everything will come. Registration is something. Registration cost, like this. When your house, you have to give to government. Government is like tax. Registration cost is something which will happen. Now I'll just add one more, which is another important parameter. Which, because you are all so good, you are having a good discussion. I am taking one more thing. That is, normally, if you are having another important thing, inflow other one inflow. Without that, this project will not happen. Without that, this inflow is not happening.
Income.
Income.
Salary.
Salary. Without your salary, how can you repay this? Correct? Am I correct?
So salary and asset.
Salary?
So salary and asset.
Salary and?
So even the asset we'll be using to
which asset?
So cash and bank deposit.
That already you told, no? I wrote, no?
Yes, sir.
I'm not writing cash. I'm writing bank deposit only. Nobody, cash is normally black money.
Yes, sir, cash.
Normally people should not give cash. Okay, salary. Salary. You don't have salary from that. Only you're going to pay this loan EMI after your rent or something, saving the rent or something you're going to pay. Because salary, without salary, that is another biggest thing which you have to see. Now I'll say one more thing. See, when you say talking about salary, what will happen is, see, you are getting salary. An important thing which I am telling you, you are getting salary. Your parents are getting salary. I mean, your family, your father is getting salary, mother is getting salary. They are having a decent salary, say more than a lakh, 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or whatever it is. So when you get so much high salary, what happens normally? You have to something connected to the government.
So pay the tax.
Tax.
What is that tax?
Sorry,
Property
income tax.
tax.
Income tax.
Income tax.
Income tax.
This is property tax. This is because you are owning something. So this is where the different forms of taxes, etc., what we discussed. And there is something else called income tax. Correct? That you normally pay here, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
But പല ആൾക്കാരും വീട് വെക്കുക, കാറ് വാങ്ങിക്കുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് ഒരു വലിയ റീസൺ എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, ഒരു വലിയ റീസൺ എന്നല്ല, ഒരു വലിയ എഫക്റ്റ് എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ, if you do that amount which you are giving as EMI-യിലുള്ള ആ എമൗണ്ടിനെ you can show it as, you can reduce that amount when you are declaring your income. അങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ട്. അത്ര ഈ പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. Did you get the point I'm saying? Did you get the point?
Oh no, sir. Can you repeat?
See, you're getting 1 lakh rupees salary, means you have to pay income tax. There is income tax. There is a rule. More than this amount, this much has to pay. More than this amount, this much has to pay. More than this, everything. For ladies, women, there is one slab. For men, there is another slab. So as your income increases, your income tax amount or slab also will increase, right? So also the government gives provision that if you from your salary, if you are going to give for this things, if you are going to give amount, that amount will be reduced from your income slab for calculating income tax. For example, you are giving donation to a charitable society for teaching or orphanage. You are giving it to orphanage, some orphanage charity. That amount you can reduce from your salary while showing income tax. So that means that much amount less you need to give. Did you get the point I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Now, so sir, liabilities like loan also we can do the same.
So it's not actually loan. Loan. That loan only is happening. If you are taking housing loan, that repayment of the housing loan, that amount you can reduce from your income and show it for income tax. That means your income tax will come down.
Okay, sir.
So it is like income tax, which without this house you are going to pay this much income tax. Say this much 3 lakhs of income tax, or 2 lakhs or 1 lakh of income tax every year. Because this income, you have built a house and government has given you provision that for the interest or loan, for the EMI you are paying on the loan, you can get this much maximum level of, there is a slab from till which you can claim rebate of income tax, so that this also slowly it will come to an end. Like your rent is coming to an end after some time, this will also this also will slowly, it will not come to an end, that amount will, till your loan is repaid. Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Did you get this point, everybody?
Yes, sir, we will get some savings from it.
That means income tax, otherwise it's an expense which you are going to give to the government. So
yes,
that also. So this is what I expected. So this is the debate actually is happening. What is the debate? Now see, this makes you a good finance people, because you debated all this. Income tax or everything I told. Something Sadish gave a clue that made some elephants he pointed out, but that is there. Otherwise, all these points came from you, yeah. Except this, maybe the income tax. Everything came from you. Maintenance, property, interest, everything came. So this is the basis of money management when any project you are taking, which already is there within you. That I am just trying to ignite what is already there within you and within every child, every person. Even you say a non-literate person also will think from his experience. Will think. You being youngsters also, you have thought of all this. See, and similarly, buying a car, buying whatever with other things, everything you can take a stand. We can discuss one more case, but I'll just, before this, winding up today, let me take, please, if you are in just 1 minute or 2 minutes, I'll just introduce you to something. Oh, this is very complicated. No, you finally you put it in this a format like this. Finally, you put it in a format like this. See, project housing, month, every month you write it here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, and it goes on for maybe 15 years. You can put, or monthly or yearly you can put, and you say, see, this is the inflow receipts, this is the outflow payments, and everything what you have put, I have put a bank deposit, sale of gold, salary, savings, loan from bank, rent, construction, registration, outflow, I have put it here. And every month, what is going to happen, you will plan here. Bank deposit, this month I will start. Loan will come, as Clemmy said, is coming in part from bank. See, Clemmy said no, 5 lakh first, 10 lakh third month. So you can plan that. This is a financial planning. Sale of gold, I will do. Bank deposit, I will take initially. Gold, I will sell only in the second month. Salary saving, I will start saving from first month onwards. I will give the rent, I am going to give. See, this is what Vishnu said. Rent, I am going to give for 6 months. After that, is going to be 0. Loan EMI for 6 months, I need not pay. Maybe after that only I need to pay the loan. That is how the banks normally operate. Then construction, I'm going to give first 1 lakh, then the stages I'm going to give to the builder. Kanda. Did everybody see this? Did everybody say in a big yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is simple. This is what is called a simple form of a cash flow statement. If you put all your thoughts in this figures as figures, then you will know every month how much money you should have, how much first month, how much will be remaining with you, second month, from which all you are going to source. Idana ningada planning. And if you put, after this planning, if you put this into your paper, then look into this paper and plan this and go away with the project. You will become a very good finance management person. Simple. Now, we discuss the കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മളിപ്പോ ഒരു real life situation we are put in a real life situation. This is what is happening. Confusion, I think the confusion which you are having when you say a car, house, it's a maintenance expenditure, whether it is an asset, whether it is an expense, confusion, that will change, because all these are different forms of money which is going out, which is coming in, going out, coming in. Put it in perspective, plan it, finished. One big statement for every project to happen is called cash flow statement. A miniature form of that has come. And we can put it, I'll give you a practice tool after our next class. I'll give it, I'll upload it on the internet site. You can take it, and for all the cases, you can start working on it. Don't worry about the figures. Okay, fine.